maxilla. Last, frontal. When does frontal start? 4 to 6 months. When is it first seen on an X-ray? 4 to 6 years. It is seen on an X-ray on 4 to 6 years, but it starts at 4 to 6 months. The last to start, the last to complete, and the last to be seen on an X-ray is all frontal sinus. Frontal is last to start, last to complete, and last to be seen on an X-ray. So last में हमेशा frontal ही रहता है, हमारी तरह पीछे पीछे, है ना? Last में. And maxilla is usually the first to start, first to complete, and the first one to be seen on an X-ray also. So maxilla is always first, frontal is always last. So who do you want to be? Maxilla or frontal? Maxilla, of course, the largest sinus, है ना? Maxilla is the largest. How much is the volume? What is the other name? Antrum of Highmore. What is the floor of maxilla? Alveolus is floor of maxilla. And which teeth communicate with the maxillary cavity? The teeth that communicate with the maxillary cavity is first molar and second premolar. First molar and second premolar. What is the most common cause of oroantral fistula? Tooth extraction is the most common cause of oroantral fistula. So this will pretty much complete all the important points in the anatomy of the nose and sinus. We have done the lateral wall of the nose, septum, and the sinuses. Okay, next one. Question number 18. 17 में बाकी भी. They ask me what is lamina pepricia and what is hiatus semilunaris. Lamina pepricia तो आपको पता होगा, सुना है ना? lamina pepricia नहीं सुना? ये तो क्राइम है. ये एनाटमी में है, not ENT. So don't blame me if you have not heard this. This is lamina pepricia means like paper-like pepricia. It's a paper thin bone. Lamina pepricia is a paper thin bone like a paper. That's why pepricia. It's a boundary between the nose and the orbit. So this is an MCQ actually. Which bone is the boundary of the nose and the orbit? आँख और नाक के बीच में जो boundary है bone की, उसका नाम है lamina pepricia. Between the eye and the nose. That's why this is the weakest wall of the nose. If I ask you, which is the weakest wall of the orbit, आप क्या बोलोगे? Superior, inferior, medial, lateral. Which is the weakest wall of the orbit? Question सुनो. Which is the weakest wall of the orbit? See, this is orbit, this is nose. And I'm telling you, between the nose and the orbit there is a lamina pepricia, weakest bone. So orbit की कौन सी wall हो गई ये? Medial wall. Yes, medial wall. So medial wall of the orbit is the weakest wall of the orbit because it is formed by paper thin bone called lamina pepricia. Okay, let me ask you another question. Which wall of the nose is most commonly fractured? Inferior wall. Blowout fracture. So this is a dichotomy. Don't confuse. Although medial wall is the most weakest wall, the one that gets damaged most commonly is the inferior wall, causing that fracture called blowout fracture, and the sign is called teardrop sign. What is the other name for teardrop sign? Hanging drop sign. Teardrop sign. इसी तरह से एक क्वेश्चन वो आता है about tumor, which is the most radio sensitive tumor in the head and neck? Nasopharyngeal carcinoma is the most radio. Which tumor gives best result with radiotherapy? Glottic carcinoma. Glottic carcinoma gives best result with radiotherapy, although nasopharyngeal carcinoma is the most radiosensitive. इसी तरह का है ये भी, right? And hiatus semilunaris. Hiatus means darwaja, door. No. Hiatus semilunaris. Semilunaris क्या होता है? Half moon shape. है ना, ये दरवाजा है जो हाफ मून की शेप का है. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड. सो दिस इज अ डोर ऑफ इनफंडिबुलम. नाउ डोंट आस्क मी सर व्हाट इज दिस infundibulum. It's a door of infundibulum. Have you heard osteomeatal complex? Osteomeatal complex is present where?